I made this text animation for a client and I thought, why not make a video about it? To begin, grab the type tool and write your text. You can change the font, style or anything you want. Then align it to the center. Next, search for the crop effect and drag it into your text. Do the same with the transform effect. Increase the shutter angle to 360 for that smooth motion blur. Now add a keyframe for position, click on the text to make the reference box appear, then drag the text down, move forward about 1 to 2 seconds and reset the position. Select both keyframes, right click and choose ease in and out. To smooth it out, open the graph editor, drag the second point to the left and push the first one left and up. This way the movement starts quickly and feels natural. After that, add the keyframe for opacity going from 0 to 100. Again, ease in and out. And open the graph and copy me. Looking clean already. Next step, duplicate the layer as many times as you have word. On the first layer, crop it so it's only show the first word. Repeat this for the rest. One word per layer. Then offset the start of each layer just a little bit so the word pop in one after another. You could stop here, but if you have more sentences, let's connect them together. First, you need to nest them. Add another transform effect. Set the keyframe for position, but this time move the second one slightly upward. Then add an opacity to fade out. Alright, now select all your keyframes. Right click and choose easy in, easy out. Then open the graph editor. Take your time here and slowly smooth out the curves for both the position and the opacity. Just follow what you see me doing on the screen. Finally, use this bump to align the next sentence layer, and if you have more sentence, just copy and paste the transform effect to save time. That's it. Simple but super clean looking text animation. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out my free text pack. See you in the next one. Peace!